San Andreas, Rescue 143 at Sing.
For nearly 50 years, Argo has been the leading manufacturer of extreme terrain vehicles for off-road emergency applications.
Sir, we're coming for you.
Argo vehicles can climb, crawl, or swim anywhere fire and rescue personnel have to go when time is of the essence. Argo lets your search team cover ground faster. Learn more about Argo at www.argoxtv.com/fire and rescue. WaterX's history traces back to the 1920s. WaterX high-pressure pumps have become the industry standard for portability and rugged performance. WaterX offers a complete line of high-performance pumps suited to meet the most difficult water handling requirements. WaterX. We move water.
Thank you for showing up. Today's training operations, we're going to be doing training with a private company, Protocol Rescue Company. It's a private technical rope rescue instructor training company. There's always chances that we're going to be working with people that they've trained in the industrial area. With Alberta and disasters and things happening, we could be assigned to a task working on the province. So we figured we'd start today with a small exercise and then work up to a bigger exercises and scenarios. I'm going to introduce the owner and manager of Protocol Rescue, and it's Jesse Hall.
I just want to go over a couple of the hazards with you guys. We're going to be working with these ropes. They're pretty delicate as far as not standing on them. Make sure that if you're working around them, if anyone's going to be coming up with us, not to stand over top of them. If they do take a shock load, they come up very, very fast, and that's where a lot of injuries will take place. As far as distance from the edge, anyone's working around the edge, 1.5 times your height. If you're 5 feet tall, stay 7 feet back. That ensures that you don't fall off the edge. And if you're going closer than that, then be hooked up in a harness and tied off to an anchor point in the background. The biggest hazard that you guys are going to face if you're at the bottom is falling debris, not just rocks and sticks. Dust getting in the eyes is a really big one. With rough terrain, you're going to have a trip hazard after that. As far as radio calls, for us, the most critical time to have the radios to ourselves is going to be when we're taking the edge. We're going to have our own command systems, 1 foot down, stop, stop, hold there, so that we're getting in place. Between the time that we take the edge and the time that we call off rope is going to be our time. As soon as we're off rope, you guys can say whatever you want. It's all back to you guys. We're good to go. Just in that time, communication is going to be really important for us. And if you guys do ever get tangled up in a rope, if anything goes wrong, our call is stop, stop, and then everyone repeats it. So you have the main line yell stop, stop, the liaison stop, stop, and everyone knows whatever's going on. If we're lifting, everyone stops. If we're lowering, everyone stops. We sort out the problem, and then we move along with the rescue.
Ditch Hitch, the industry leader for safe vehicle recovery.
Hi, I'm Danny McCallum. I'm the Fire Chief of the Valley View Volunteer Fire Department in Valley View, Alberta, Canada. Today we're going to demonstrate the Ditch Hitch system. It's a vehicle recovery system designed to keep you safe while you're removing a vehicle. Deputy Chief Les will get the system we keep in our rescue truck, and we'll have Firefighter Randy hook up the system to our truck. It's designed so you cannot put it in backwards. If the pin doesn't fit, it's not meant to be there. They have a unique locking pin device that goes on. It's like a key ring to design to hold the pin in place while the vehicle is being used to recover. The key component to this whole system is this fuse link. This is designed to break, it's supposed to. You can only use this fuse link system with this ditch hitch. This system's designed so everybody can go home safe at the end of the day.
Find out more about the award-winning Ditch Hitch at www.ditchhitch.com. The following is a training exercise designed specifically for Protocol Rescue. Do not try this at home. The call. A woman is called 911 with information as to where she is above a cliff near the town of Devon. possibly with a broken leg. Jesse and his crew go over and check each and every piece of equipment and length of rope. They sort through their entire inventory to make sure nothing is left out. This high-angle rope rescue evolution is being treated as a real call by all involved.
Busy place today. I'm going to park this just in case we get another emergency and we can get out of here in a hurry.
Squadron 1, pull up and put the carrier in the water.
They arrive at the beach below the dangerous cliff described by the caller.
Hi! I need help!
A quick assessment. They need to call on a professional rope rescue team to safely bring down the patient, now located in the trees above the cliff. Achiever Education and Training offers nationally recognized courses, training, and seminars that lead to pro board certification. Courses include training programs and seminars that exceed nationally recognized industry standards. Find out more about these professional online courses and the people that provide this education. AchieverEducation.org. The team jumps in the Rescue 1 boat and they head back to the incident location. Today's crew: Mary Ann Smith, rope rescue technician; Dustin Dober, firefighter; Michael Preston, firefighter and EMT; Jesse Hall, firefighter and founder of Protocol Rescue. They arrive on scene. The first responders help them quickly remove their water safety equipment. The team must take an alternate route through the forest to reach the injured woman.
Just hold this up.
The team heads up the hill, blazing their own trail.
Okay, let's flip it around so the head's over there.
They arrive on scene to find a young woman in pain. She will need to be packaged up and lowered to the boats below for transport to the hospital.
Hello, ma'am. Are you able to sit up at all? What we'd like you to do is get yourself to sit in the stretcher if you could.
So how'd you end up here?
Hiking and I fell.
Okay. How long have you been up here?
About a half an hour.
Half an hour. Can we move the head end over a little bit?
Yeah, I'll try. Stop this down.
Scoot it down just a little bit. How's that for you? Excellent. All right. So, Mike, if we can, we'll try and slide her up there a little ways.
Yep.
Just so she doesn't slide off. Just hold on to this. Nice and tight.
They take every safety precaution to ensure everything is tied down correctly and secure their patient before making the descent over the edge of the cliff. Jesse, the team leader, begins the descent down the dangerous cliffs. The loose dirt below can move at any time. The Stokes basket with their patient is slowly and meticulously lowered by the team. Once Jesse safely reaches the bottom, he calls on the first responders from the town of Devon to help bring their patient to the boat for transport to the hospital.
All right, I'll get you guys to come up here. So, keep her steady. Down slowly, boy.
The protocol rescue team will now deliver their patient to the waiting ambulance. Key Fire Hose, now a division of KFH Industries, was established in 1988 in Miami, Florida, and is now one of the largest manufacturers of hose and related products in the world. In 2010, Key Fire Hose relocated to Dothan, Alabama to double its manufacturing space, streamline efficiencies, and increase stock of raw materials and finished goods while conforming to ISO-style quality control standards. Find out more about KFH Industries at www.keyfire.com. Fort Garry Fire Trucks manufactures the toughest emergency vehicles in the industry with a full-frame aluminum extruded body. We utilize 5083 saltwater marine-grade aluminum and with a large engineering staff to meet your custom needs.
This company has gone above and beyond with engineering and building for us some of the strange equipment that we request. So in 1999, we started the wheels rolling with our very first Fort Garry Fire Truck custom pumper, and we have not looked back since.
This is our Fort Garry rescue. We took delivery of this in July 2014. Getting everybody orientated on it. It's been pressed into service quite a bit. It's got a command module built into the cab. We can run our command post from there. It's got a 25,000 watt generator. We can light up the night. All LED. No incandescent bulbs on this truck at all. I believe there's only 4 in the entire truck. Totally remote control with our control panel, and we've used this quite a bit at both structure fires and incidents on the highways. On this truck we spec'd a windsock. The helicopter pilots can see this from a long way as they're coming in on making their final approach. They don't have to worry as much from the landing zone officer on the ground to give them their weather conditions.
Visit our website for more info at www.fg.ca. FT.com. Forged from fire, engineered for the extreme.
Hi, my name is Robert Main. I'm the fire chief for Devon Fire Rescue for the town of Devon, which is a population over 6,500. Let me give you a tour of the station. This is my office. This is the office of DC of Operations and my coordinator. This is a volunteer department with approximately 35 volunteers. There's 2 part-time, myself and my shift coordinator. This is the map of Devon. It's approximately 1,400 square miles. We have the North Saskatchewan River, which we also cover for rescue operations. This is our radio room that you're looking at right now. This common area is lounge and full kitchen. We'll head towards the training room. These pictures on the wall here are the pictures of the first fire station in the town of Devon. This engine right here in this vehicle, we still have it, we've refurbished it. This is our training room. So we have courses that we hold here. We use it for Tuesday nights training. That's our nights that we get together and make sure that we do a meeting and training. We use this for operations of some disasters. It gives us the room to take the chairs and move them to make little subsections in this area for people to work. This is our squat, which is due to be replaced next year with a Ford. We're going to go and it's been spec'd out right now, and we're just waiting for delivery. This is our SCBA room and spare hose. We put the fill station in here, and the next room I show you is going to be where the compressor is. Just creates a better working environment. This is the compressor along with the storage area. Some of the stuff here is used for our training nights. We don't have a gym, so we use the bay area. We pull the trucks out, and we use that area for a workout. What's not here, which is in the back, we have a shed, is a 300-pound tire and a 152-pound tire, which we use. The heaviest guy with gear on here is 300 pounds, and that's what we have to be able to pull. And not just by yourself, but in teams of 2. Come this way. Hose tower. And with the hose tower, if you look up, you can see the nozzle along the wall. That's how we clean the hose if it's not too dirty. The tanker. 3,000 gallons of water. Lots of water for us. Boats for Rescue 1. 2 boats. Makes operations easier to do. One boat's doing the rescue. The other boat is back. It's our safety. Just like we do with fires, we have a 2 in 2 out rule. The second boat is back. Make sure other boaters are made aware of the situation. And if anything goes wrong with the first boat, the second boat can come in and assist. The tanker and both engines are from International. We carry 1,000 gallons on each truck here. Devon Engine 1 and County Engine 1. Devon Engine 1 is, right now, is the town's engine, and the County Engine 1 is the county and Devon. All future purchases here in this hall with Parkland County, which we're partnered with, will be 50-50. So next time we go to replace this, which is in 2016, it'll be a 50-50 purchase. Come this way. So We also use it as a command post. This table lifts up, comes down. We do our interviews here on fire scenes. We use it as a rehab. So we've spec'd it out, and we should be taking probably early summer a new rescue, which is the same as District 3 Stony Plain rescue from Fort Garry.
Julie Fogg Productions has been producing the Battalion, the series, featuring real-life training since 2007. 2 years designing and creating our new interactive website that now features fire, rescue, EMS, and our training channel. Features some of the top professional firefighters in North America. Check out our new training channel, the Battalion.tv network. Train like your life depends on it. Be safe.